Switching from Juno email and need to recover messages from JBK backup files? These archives contain your complete email history from the Juno service. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract and migrate your backed up email messages. We're going to solve this JBK issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. JBK files are email backup files created by Juno, the Internet Service Provider's email client software. They contain archived email messages including inbox sent items and folder structures, with message headers, body text, and attachment data backed up from the Juno email application for preservation or migration. JBK files are email backup files created by Juno, the Internet Service Provider's email client software. They contain archived email messages including inbox sent items and folder structures, with message headers, body text, and attachment data backed up from the Juno email application for preservation or migration. In most cases, JBK files work best with Juno created by Juno Online Services. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows offers no meaningful preview, so backup contents must be extracted using specialized tools. Your primary action: right-click the JBK file and select Open With. If Juno is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the JBK file opens successfully. If the JBK file is still giving you trouble, relax. We're facing a complicated JBK error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, locate Juno email files. Find JBK files in the Juno installation directory, typically under C/JBK Program Files Juno, or in the user's Application Data Juno folder. The backup files may be alongside the active mailbox files. Copy the JBK files to a working directory before attempting any conversion or extraction operations. Next, convert email format. Use an email migration tool such as SysTools Email Converter or Aid4Mail to parse the JBK file and export messages to standard formats like EML, MBOX, or PST. These tools read the Juno proprietary format and output individual messages compatible with Thunderbird Outlook or other modern email clients. Finally, import to new email client. Import the converted EML or MBOX files into your new email client. In Thunderbird, use the import-export tool's ng extension to import EML files. In Outlook, use the import function for PST files. Verify that message content headers, dates, and attachments transferred correctly after the migration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.